welcome back to my channel. I know I'm excited. I am bringing you guys my Walgreens haul, my huge, well, to me this is a big moneymaker haul. Not as big as I've had in the past, but I think it is awesome. I'm here to show you guys the deals that I got, so be prepared to have some excitement. Yeah, I don't know what I was gonna say, but at Walgreens today, you know, I'm having her scan my coupons, and some of them aren't scanning. And their system is where if a coupon doesn't scan, they have to enter it. But usually they're supposed to enter it at the end, and she kept trying to do it at the beginning, so it'd go all the way to the end, and she still had all these coupons to scan. And so we had to redo it again. She did it again. So we had to redo it again, and I'm like, can somebody help me? Like, I don't know why this person can't just scan the coupons properly. It's like, I know their system sometimes more than they do. So then the store manager helped me, you know, it's helpful. I says, you know, blah 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 blah. So finally got it figured out. I think I was up there for like 20-25 minutes almost. It felt like forever, and I'm just like, okay, let's go now. But I'm here to show you guys my haul. So I went crazy over these razors. Oh yeah. My store just got some in, and these I want to start giving to people. I want to start handing them to people who might need razors. I want to make a little kit. So my store had them full. So I got, and I know this is bad, I got 14 of these. 14 big razors, because these count as beauty. So I got those. So those were $1.49. If you guys buy two, you get 3,000 points. So you guys would end up paying $2.98 for those. You get 3,000 points. It ends up becoming a 2-cent moneymaker or free. You guys can pay with points. So you can buy all those, pay with points, and get all your points back plus a little extra because it counts as beauty. So definitely do that deal if you guys can do that. That's why I'm going crazy, and this is the last week to do that razor deal. So if you guys really want to stock up on those razors, if you can find them, if you guys don't know if your store has them, you guys can go to the Walgreens website. You can search for them on the internet, on the site, and it'll tell you store availability, and it'll tell you how many they have. So just letting you guys know on that. If you guys aren't sure, I do have a video below showing you guys how to use the Walgreens website, which I will need to make an updated one. I ended up getting these Ziploc slider bags. These were 2 for $4. If it says if you buy two, you get 1,000 points. There's also a $1 off 2 coupon that you guys can print off the Ziploc website. So you guys would just pay $3 for both of these, but then you guys get that 1,000 points. It ends up becoming $1 a box, which I think is a great deal. You guys can also pay with points and get points back. So definitely do that deal, and do that deal as many times as you guys can. Another deal I wanted to show you guys is the extra laundry detergent. Somebody went to my store and pretty much bought everything on the shelf, which is fine. They can do it, as long as they don't take like everything. But these were 99 cents. You guys would just pay 99 cents for it. So that's a great deal for a laundry detergent. So we got that. Here's an easy freebie for you guys to do. The Well Yes Campbell's Soup. These were 2 for $3, so $1.50 a piece. You guys want to use 2 75-cent off coupons for these, okay? You guys would end up paying $1.50 for the both of these, but then you can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making these a 50-cent moneymaker. You can't go wrong with free soup. Now, if you guys are having problems with printing those coupons and you already printed them off, do the incognito mode or try a different browser. So I use Chrome, and I use Firefox, and I use Internet Explorer. So between those different browsers, you guys should be able to print off those coupons. So definitely do that deal. I did the Almay makeup remover. These were $5.99 a piece. You guys want to use 2 of those $3 off coupons that are available on coupons.com. Those are awesome coupons. Plus, there is a $4 off a 2 coupon that you guys want to use in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will end up getting both of these for $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece, which I think could be a great deal if you guys like that. So I just wanted to show you guys that deal for that. So we got that. I know I keep saying we got that. They had a ton of CRTs or Catalinas that printed off, but she took them from me, but they weren't really anything. Oh, look, I got another razor. So I also wanted to do the Speed Stick deal and the Lady Speed Stick, but this store didn't have any Lady Speed Stick. I'm like, what? I'm searching for it and searching for it. Nothing. So I'm going to definitely go back and do this deal because this is a great deal on deodorant, and my pile on my deodorant is really low. These were $3.19. It was buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 50% off coupons that we got in today's paper, Sunday's paper. Now you guys can buy 1 men's and 1 women's if you guys want to. You can buy 2 men's or 2 women's. You guys can do whatever you want. You don't have to buy just 2 men's. You can buy a men's and a women's. So you guys would just pay $3.78 for the both of these, which is an okay deal. But then you get 3,000 points back. 3,000 points back. So this ends up becoming 78 cents for the both of these. That's like 40, or it's like, I don't know, 78 cents for both of these. I think is an awesome deal. So definitely do this deal. I'm going to try to get more of those coupons and do this deal because I love deals like that. I went crazy at Walgreens with the eyeshadow. Now these were at my store $7.90, or these were $7.99 at my store. It was buy one get one 50% off. So you guys want to buy 2 of them for $7.99 and then the other 50% off. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons, so you guys will get this for $5.99. But then if you buy 2, you get 3,000 points, which comes out to be just $2.99 or $1.50 a piece, which is an okay deal. I wanted to do this deal because this counts as beauty, so I did that. So that was that. I mean, it's an okay deal. So we definitely want to do that. That was my haul. It wasn't not the biggest haul. There was a deal that I wanted, a couple deals that I wanted to do, but I was too focused on getting to the cash register before a lot of people showed up. So there was that. I'm sorry for there is that. This is something I say all the time. But I ended up using 2 $10 register rewards that I got from last week, so there was that. My total came to $23.66 for everything. I ended up paying $20 in points, so I just had to pay the rest. But we don't factor that in. I don't factor what I paid in points. I just tell you guys what my total is before I paid in points. But I ended up getting 36,000 points back. Now, if you guys think about it, 18,000 points is $20, okay? It's not 20,000 points. It's 18,000 points, and I don't have a Walgreens receipt to show you. So every 18,000 points, it comes out to $20. So if I got 36,000, I ended up getting $40 back. $40 back in points. That is awesome. I hit beauty. I don't even know if I hit beauty once or if I hit beauty twice. But I went crazy. So I got $40 back in points. Plus, I submitted my receipt on I bought it for $2 off. So that everything came out to be an $18.34 moneymaker. That is crazy. $18.34 moneymaker. I think I did pretty good. I'm definitely going to do this deal. I'm going to see what stores have the Lady Speed Stick and do that. Definitely do more of these razors. You guys can't go wrong with these. I mean, they're not the greatest razors, but these are great if you guys just need something to go and take something with you. I mean, yeah, they're men's razors, but whatever. They do the trick. So there's that. But I was super excited to see what I got. But yeah, it was just like an off off day for me at the register. Like the cashier just didn't know what's going on, and I usually try to go to the same cashier I have all the time because she knows my system. She knows how to scan everything, because what I do is I have her scan everything, and then while she's scanning everything, I put all my coupons out and I lay them out to make sure I got everything and I figured it all out. But she wasn't there. She was leaving as I was going to the checkout, so didn't get to do that. But yeah, it was just a weird transaction. Not a big deal, but you know, there's that. But if you guys haven't already, please click that subscribe button. I love it. I'm super close to hitting 16,000 already. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. I also want you guys to do a reminder of the contest I'm doing. It does end soon. I will be probably picking a winner next weekend, so you guys will definitely have to stay tuned for that. And I'm also keeping your guys' entries in case I want to do some more contests for the people who entered. So if you haven't already, do it. It's also for future contests too, so don't forget about that. But give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!